Hey guys, how are you today? So we are making a thank you video para sa mga taong deserving na pasalamatan, and this thank you video ay unang-una sa Panginoon natin na siya ang nag-cause, or the word that says God causes all things to work together for our own good. And secondly, ang pasasalamatan natin dito ay yung mga taong tumulong para ma-recover ang phone na itong ginagamit natin, especially doon sa personnel ng Kibawi Bukidnon Police Station. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, sir and ma'am. And also today, I really saw na if you ask for miracle, the Lord is truly faithful granting your miracle. If you really pray with faith and with an expectant heart, you can really experience the goodness and the kindness of the Lord granting what you have prayed for. Thank you very much, kaayo ma'am. You are all a blessing, jud kaayo ma'am.
Trabaho na mo na.
Oh, pero nag-effort jud mo. Tanawa ma'am. No, this is
necessary, ma'am.
No. This is just a token of appreciation. Thank you. Cake sa mga buotan nga mga ano.
Dili na necessary.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am po. Yes po. That's why you deserve an appreciation because you are doing your job well. Gusto ko itong gusto ko itong i-post kasi maganda yung ginawa ninyo, ma'am eh. Gusto ko i-post sa ano yan? Yung LGU. Kasi maganda.
Dili na siya necessary.
Yes po, I understand po, ma'am.
May trabaho naman.
Opo, pero your kindness has solved my problem. Oh, thank you, Kibawi Police Station. You are a blessing. So much a blessing to me. So guys, that's it for today. May milagro akong natanggap talaga for today. Thank you very much, ma'am. Si Lord Botan. Appreciation because you deserve that. Sometimes, ang mga labor natin, it is not necessary because we do our job, but you deserve an appreciation, pod. Si sir, yung labor, sir. I'm so blessed. Sir, you deserve that. It is not necessary according to ma'am. Yes, I understand. Pero you all deserve an appreciation po gikan sa mga katauhan nga inyong nasakupan. God bless you, sir. Thank you very much sa imong effort. Nagtindog lang ra ba ka? God bless.